Hi everyone, and in this video I am going to show how to make muck work for a tanjure painting, which is an important step. So for making a muck work mixture, I am taking the white tamarind powder and I am taking it 3 spoons. I would be adding 1 spoon of Arabic gum liquid. As I have said earlier, you can take it as 3:1 ratio, but the mixture should be a doughy consistency. So add a little more also if you feel the consistency is not good. So here I have taken 3 spoons of white tamarind seed powder and 1 teaspoon of Arabic gum, but still the mixture is not ready. So I am going to add little by little the Arabic gum so that whenever the mixture is like a doughy consistency, you can use it for your mug work. And at the end, after adding this Arabic gum, you can add a few drops of water, not more than that, to make this mixture. I am adding little by little so that I don't make it excess and make the consistency a bit runny. So don't make it runny. We just need it a doughy consistency so that we can make the muck work. I'm just taking 3 spoons of white tamarind seed powder for just measurement, but for this painting you would need more than 3 spoons. You might need like 5 to 7 spoons of white tamarind seed powder. So make sure to do a second batch of the muckwork mixture. Okay, so I am adding little bit of water, not more. I haven't used that spoon teaspoon of water. I just poured it out and used only a few drops of it. So this is that consistency that I was talking about. There should not be any air holes in it. Now I'm actually using a old milk packet for making a cone. You can use cone paper or Ziploc covers also for doing this, or any thick packets that you wish to do it. Just put the dough inside and make it look like a cone and cut it on one end. That's it, your cone is ready to do. For this muck work, you can cut a little bit more than you required, but first make sure the hole is little when you're trying out first. Muck work is really tricky, and so try it out little by little. Then, if you want the mixture to flow easier, then you can cut a little more of that cone and then you can use it. So, for me, this was really hard when I was trying to do this in this cone. And this muck work should be done only where the gold part is going to come. So I'm just going to do the curtains and the ornaments and the chair of the painting. So I'm not going to do the muck work on the whole painting itself and also the crown of Lakshmi. So you decide where to do this muck work. Big milk packets are really hard. You can use smaller ones or any small ziploc covers for this. Just make a rough work of this. Um, don't think seriously that the curves are not proper or it has gone over the outline or anything, because muck work is just a basic work. We can make the corrections afterwards. Just make sure you're doing the muck work on the parts where the gold leaf must be pasted. That's enough. After this muck work, the detailing will be done over this muck work using white tamarind seed powder and Fevicol. So, no need to worry about the designs or decorations for this. So, the detailing will be done after this step. So, just make a rough one, and for this, by the time this part of scene was taken, I have been using another cone because that cone was really tough, and this I have used a smaller packet for this cone, and I have cut a bigger hole so the mixture is flowy in this one. So it is little bit easier. You can correct any mistake you have done for this mold work before it is dry. So don't worry much about it and keep on going for doing this muck work, because inside the cone also the muck work mixture might get dry. So do it fast. So I have made the crown part, the bangles, anklets, and the chair one, and also the curtains. I have also made a golden bowl that she is keeping near her hand, and I have done the mold work for the golden cup where the gold coins are kept. So I have made that also. And if you see, this is my second batch of the mixture that I have made. It is better than the first one. So keep practicing and you will get this. And now that's it. You have to dry it in little bit of sunlight. That's it. The muck work is done for this tangier painting.